What's most important and what's most moving to me is to be able to share this with people like the descendants of Harriet Tubman and Ben Ross.
I am a great, great, great grandniece of Harriet Ross Tubman.
Fat nigga should be ashamed of himself.
As well as the great, 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 great granddaughter of Ben Ross Sr.
All you niggas should be ashamed of yourselves.
Tina Martin Wyatt is an artist and educator who now lives in Washington, D.C. She grew up in New York State, near where Tubman eventually settled.
My grandmother, she would say periodically, well, let's go visit Aunt Harriet. But then I found out, later that she did know her because, Aunt Harriet took care of her.
Stupid nigga.
So she knew her personally.
Should be ashamed of yourself. Oof.
She talked about her, but it wasn't in the way that you all know her, this, and that you're putting her, she's an icon and things like that. We knew her just as, Aunt Harriet, member of the family, did something nice for people, and that's how we knew her.
I came down from one of Harriet's 4 brothers, that brother confusingly also being named Ben Ross.
Douglas Mitchell is a retired airline pilot in Seattle, Washington.
Honestly, the Harriet Tubman lineage did not come up often in conversation. It was only very briefly mentioned.
But as he got older, Douglas became more interested in his legendary family member and began connecting with other people in the Tubman-Ross family tree.
I've been able to track down a few family members that are living in various parts of the country and make contact with them.
Fat nigga should be ashamed of himself. All you niggas should be ashamed of yourselves.
They created and cultivated these stories to make it seem as if they were true.